your fault. You know to bring them choppers when you see me come. I try to let them pussy niggas eat. It's time to make you pussy boys escape. I took a call to get a broke down. Chevy on my car phone. Janesville, I went and bought a condo. Back to the crib where I get it by the car load. I started with a box Chevy. Then I got the blue Lexus. My bitch stayed down with me. So now she got the new Lexus. I went and got my bitch a belly on some love. Get her handle every day, do what the fuck she want. I started in a box Chevy. Now my watch a buck 80. I heard some same pussy niggas